fact is, with nearly 1,000 public schools throughout Jamaica, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information has a huge mandate and wide areas of responsibility.
The government is keen on meeting these objectives and has allocated over $118 billion for the 2021-2022 fiscal year. With an allocation of $1.16 billion to capital budget,
I am looking forward to working with all the stakeholders to ensure that our educational system continues the transformation that Jamaicans want to see.
$813 million will target the construction of classrooms at 11 high schools, 1 all-age and 1 infant school. It also covers the construction of perimeter fencing, upgrading of electrical systems, and the completion of pre-contractual arrangements. The program, which started April 2020, will be completed in March 2023. Another $210 million is earmarked to continue the build-out of the Mount St. Joseph Catholic High School. This is part of the Education Transformation Program to alleviate overcrowding and the shift system at this and other institutions. Meanwhile, $120 million will be used to complete the establishment of a diagnostic center at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE. Construction will also be completed on a wastewater system and biodigester at the facility. The program is being implemented by the National Education Trust. And Phase 2 of rehabilitation work on the ministry's Canewood and National Hero Circles premises will continue at a cost of $20 million. The ministry is also assigning funds from its recurrent budget to ensure children and young people have the best shot at an effective learning environment. $4.64 billion will provide scholarships and tuition assistance at the primary, secondary, and tertiary levels. $365 million is also included to provide mathematics scholarships for teachers. An additional $170.7 million has also been allocated to provide financial assistance at the secondary and tertiary levels. The provision also includes $133 million to meet the cost of stipend for students registered under the Jamaica Values and Attitudes Program, JAMVAT. Through JAMVAT, students at the tertiary level engage in 200 hours of community service to offset 30% of their tuition. The Education Ministry also has oversight of the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA. In the new financial year, $2.8 billion will continue its work to strengthen policies, legislation, and systems for the holistic development, care, and protection of children. All these and more are programmed under the agenda for the Ministry of Education, Youth, and Information in the 2021-2022 fiscal year.